Hey there, awesome folks. This is Mentor Shelly, wanting to make sure that you become a better version of yourself professionally. Want you guys to know that it is okay to be in a stage where you're not sure. I'm not saying all the way unsure, but you are in not a between a rock and a hard place, but you're from in one stage to the next in your transition to becoming better, in your transition to become the best version of yourself. In this case, I'm talking about professionally. For example, let's say you just graduated from high school and you're getting ready to go to college, and you're not sure of the experience. You haven't quite started college yet, but you're getting ready to go there. In the meantime, I would just say keep your mindset positive. Say, okay, these are the things that I plan on doing. These are the steps I'm going to take one class, take it one class at a time, use my time wisely, things of that nature. I can't remember the name right now, but I was listening to a TED Talk yesterday. This guy talking about the fact that he completely turned his life around and took on so many ventures as far as learning to do new things, because he applied the same method to everything that he did. He was a C student, bar none C student, until I think about his 9th or 10th grade year of school. And what he said was that the difference between him being a C student all that time is that he couldn't focus on one thing at a time for too long because his attention would be deterred all over the place. What he said he started to do, and it actually worked for him, and he was able to use that method for everything else he did going forward. He changed his grade point average in high school from an average C student to an A honor roll student, all because he did this small thing, which is, instead of saying, okay, I'm going to do an hour of homework for XYZ class, he put things on a 5-minute schedule at a time. Instead of trying to bite off 20 bites off of something, he took one bite at a time. So instead of sitting down for an hour and doing something straight, he literally spent 5 minutes, read a concept, grasp it, go do something fun for maybe another 15-20 minutes, came back and did another 5 minutes. And that's what he did, because he knew his attention would be deterred, to transform his entire life. Because getting into that honor society transformed into getting into honors classes in college, and it changed the whole trajectory of his life. What I'm saying to you is this: in the areas of your career, it may not come with one fell swoop of changes. It may be literally the small decisions you make along the way. And I'm learning that. that is true in anything that we do. It's not in the big decisions that we make, but it's in the daily pieces that we add to that decision. So I just wanted to leave that with you today. Of course, if you had questions in regards to careers and things of that nature, you can definitely reach out to me at mentorshelly.com/contact. Or you can leave me a voicemail or an email message, and I'll be more than happy to return your voicemail or your email within 24 hours. And if you like what you hear on this channel, definitely like, share, and subscribe. You can go to mentorshelly.com/services for any career, services or resume services. You can find at mentorshelly.com/resume-services. If you want to redo your resume, or you want to redo your whole resume, or you want to create one if you don't have one, So those are some of the services that we have available at mentorshelly.com. I just wanted to share that with you. I found it to be so profound that you take things in bite-sized pieces. And for the kid that has, a problem with focusing on one thing at a time, he was a child that was like that, and that ended up being the way he approached it, ended up changing his entire life. It's not with the big decisions that we make, but it's in the small, everyday pieces that we add to that decision that make a difference between success and failure. All right, guys, take care. You have a good one, and enjoy the rest of your